Do you have a budget from one Google Sheet that you'd like to copy over to another sheet you're working in? Are you trying to get the results from a form copied over to your working budget for an event? No need to copy and paste cells, just completely copy over a tab in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today we'll show you how to copy tabs across sheets. Click the downward arrow next to your sheet name. Select Copy To, then search for and select another sheet. That's it. The tab will now appear copied into that sheet. Copy tabs across sheets in one easy step. If you have any questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.